didn't last very long. The wheels don't turn or what?
It lasts like 2 seconds. Wait, I have an idea. Wait, hold on. Pull it in a little tighter. Pull it in.
Oh gosh.
It hurts. Back up.
Bad idea. Why did it fall forward? Yeah, you're on a crack. You're on a crack. There you go. Now try it. Now try it. Yeah. You're stuck on a crack. No, I just turned my camera off.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, it's still recording. Hi, Lauren. The fun we have at Grandma and Grandpa's house. Woohoo! I keep turning my camera off.